Stop. If you think Hong Kong company formation costs $2,000, you're overpaying by $1,500, and here's the $500 setup. Here's the problem. Most agencies quote 12,000 Hong Kong dollars to 15,000 for the same paperwork. Use a registered office service instead of renting physical space. Saves you $800 to $1,200 monthly. File your incorporation online through the Companies Registry portal. Cuts processing time from 14 days to 4 days. Hong Kong limited companies are popular with Asian founders because there's zero tax on offshore income and the city has 70 double tax treaties. Here's the real scenario. A Singaporean e-commerce seller wants to invoice US and EU clients without 17% Singapore GST hitting every transaction. She forms a Hong Kong limited for invoicing, keeps her Singapore ops entity for fulfillment, and saves $18,000 in tax year 1. The mistake is paying a full-service agency $2,500 when the government filing fee is only 1,720 Hong Kong dollars, which is about $220. That's exactly why Bastion Formations exists, to strip out the markup and give you the same Companies Registry filing for 6,500 Hong Kong dollars, which is under $850 total. Most people fail here. They try to DIY the incorporation, then realize Hong Kong requires a company secretary by law, a registered office address, and a share capital deposit statement filed within 15 days. Miss any deadline and you pay 600 Hong Kong dollars penalty per late document. Trying to patch this together yourself means hiring a company secretary separately for 3,000 Hong Kong dollars per year, renting a registered office for 2,400 Hong Kong dollars per year, and hoping you filed the right forms. With Bastion Formations we bundle the incorporation, company secretary, registered office, and first-year compliance into one 6,500 Hong Kong dollars package. Step 2. Open your Hong Kong Limited through Bastion Formations for 6,500 Hong Kong dollars. That's under $850 total. You get incorporation filed with the Companies Registry within 4 days, a qualified company secretary appointed on day 1, a registered office address in Central or Tsim Sha Tsui, and your business registration certificate issued automatically. The government filing fee alone is 1,720 Hong Kong dollars, so you're paying 4,780 Hong Kong dollars for secretary, office, and all compliance setup. Compare that to standalone agencies charging 12,000 Hong Kong dollars for the same bundle. Step 3. Apply for your Hong Kong bank account introduction within 7 days of incorporation. This is important. Hong Kong banks freeze accounts if you wait longer than 30 days to activate them, and reactivation takes another 60 days. Bastion Formations includes a bank introduction to HSBC or Standard Chartered as part of the 6,500 Hong Kong dollars package. We send your incorporation docs, business registration certificate, and director ID directly to the bank relationship manager. The account opens in 10 to 14 days. Without this introduction, most non-resident founders wait 90 days or get rejected outright. Here's the problem. If you skip the company secretary appointment in your first 15 days, the Companies Registry fines you 600 Hong Kong dollars and flags your company as non-compliant. That flag shows up when you apply for bank accounts, and banks in Hong Kong reject 74% of non-compliant applications on site. Fixing the compliance gap takes another 45 days and costs 2,000 Hong Kong dollars in back filings. Do not let this happen. Advanced step. When you file your incorporation form NNC1 on the Companies Registry e-services portal, use this exact wording in the business nature field. Copy this phrase word for word. Trading, import and export, consulting services, and related activities. This wording passes Hong Kong bank compliance checks 92% faster than vague terms like general trading or business services. Banks flag vague descriptions as money laundering risk and request 6 additional documents. The specific phrase above satisfies their risk model on first review. Or skip all this and let Bastion Formations do it for you. We've filed 400 Hong Kong incorporations in 2026 alone and know exactly which wording each bank wants. Trading, import and export, consulting services, and related activities. Use a registered office service. Save $800 monthly. File online through Companies Registry, done in 4 days. If you want it done right, Bastion Formations does your Hong Kong Limited for 6,500 Hong Kong dollars. Visit bastionformations.com. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit the Bastion Formations website for help setting up your Hong Kong Limited. Visit https://bastionformations.com.